Are you in need of bottom paint, but you don't understand what you need, and you don't really want to become a subject matter expert and do all the research and learn everything about bottom paint and the effects of osmosis on your boat hull and fiberglass while the boat's sitting in the water? Or maybe you don't know what barrier coat is and what it does to protect your bottom. No matter your issue, simply go to bottompaintmyyacht.com and schedule and order the bottom paint service that you need. It's that simple.